Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use the grill set with the smoker canister. It comes in a stainless steel material. So this is the set and this is the drawer, and this is how you install it. This is the base and the drawer where you will put the wood chips, and this is the canister, and this how you can, let me see, you can install it from behind by inserting and turning. You can fill in this canister with wine or juice or beer, and then insert the whole chicken here, and it can marinate it from inside with your favorite flavor. But today I'm not gonna be showing you how to cook using this one. We are gonna talk about using the smoker drawer. We need to grab wood chips bag and soak it 30 minutes at least before using it, and filling it with inside the drawer. The sliding out and in makes it so easy to just fill it with wood chips. And you can soak the wood chips with any flavor that you like, so you can marinate your chicken and give it the smoking marinated flavor of your wish. And then you place it over the grill and wait 10 minutes or until the wood chips start smoking, and then you can place the chicken or steak or whatever you need to grill on top of it. Now the smoke started to come out of the grilling set. We can start placing the chickens. Skewers, I've already put the chickens inside the wide skewers. This set comes with 4 wide skewers, and you can use them for chicken or meat. You can put meat, steaks, jalapenos. You can put jalapenos rolls inside the round openings in here. And you can use it without the drawer, only to chili pepper rolls. I will show you once the chicken and the meat is cooked. You can also use it without the smoker drawer by only using the base. And you can use the lower side as a second layer.